Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit and change the default homepage settings in Hubspot. Customizing your homepage makes your experience more efficient and tailored to your needs. Start by opening your browser and going to the Hubspot homepage. Click the Login button at the top right and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your Hubspot dashboard, which gives you an overview of all your activities. Next, click the Settings cog wheel at the top right. This opens the Settings menu where you can customize your account and interface. Look for the option to pick a default homepage. Here you can choose which page you'd like to see first every time you log in, whether it's your sales dashboard, marketing overview, or another page that fits your role. Think about your daily workflow and select the page that helps you work most efficiently. Once saved, HubSpot will open this page by default, streamlining your daily tasks and giving you quick access to the information that matters most. And that's it. Customizing your default homepage is an easy way to make HubSpot work better for you.